Ready and action.
This is what happened this is what the tour guide basically did when I went to City Hall. It was like, follow me, kids. I'll be your tour guide today. This is the mayor's chair. You're not allowed to touch it. It's the mayor's chair. The mayor's chair. Don't touch it. I can't sit yet. It's the heavy chair. Come on, kids.
Follow me.
Follow me. To the next thing. This is the plane. It's the mayor's plane.
Don't touch it.
Oh, these mayor's used it. Don't touch it.
What do they do with it? What do they do with it?
They use it. It's like hell. It sounds like a real. Don't touch it. It's awful. Moving on. I'm gonna leave the fan on.
Because that's smart.
This is from. It's an antique from the last mayor.
There's
It makes noise. Don't touch it. He had this music. Beautiful. It's
beautiful.
Oh, no. Moving on, kids. Follow me.
You touched the chair.
So, get your piece of paper on your script. And if you don't have your script, I'll give you one. Okay. Teacher, can you call all the students to be mayor? Ward 1, Ward 2, Ward 3, Ward 4, Ward 4, Ward 5, Ward 6, Ward 7, Ward 8, Ward 9, and up to Ward 12. You know what I'm saying? Okay. Now you sit in this chair.
But that's the mayor's chair.
Mayor's dome.
And you sit in this chair. And this is the mayor's dog. His name is Fluffy. Don't touch him.
Don't touch
He
it.
likes to sit in the mayor's chair. Fluffy. What are you doing? Fluffy, where are you going? Fluffy. Thanks for coming on the tour. Don't forget. This is the mayor's door. All the other mayors used it. Oh, look at Fluffy playing with a stick. Okay. You sit here. And 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 you three being concerned parents.